Moki Lira crashing TYEN tutwal during the wave of the cross Ilira Kakenyo enemy. Mono reporter Mameko Makinona Joseph a call who reports for the New Vision papers and story enemy. So the issue is ngat enemy kitero to the regional referral hospital Melira Kakenyo Lira City after car crashing ONYONO TYENE during that walk the way of the cross Lira City on Good Friday. Victim identified as Lucy Okello. Yes, Lucy Okello, Mabere Kirombe Ward, Lira City West Division, of course, had the right foot completely crushed by a vehicle at Odogomet roundabout on the Kamdini Lira Highway after reporting part safety measures. Where are the safety measures? And first of all, driver was this driver blind? Was he not seeing it down on the way of the cross? And two, where is the Red Cross, Lira branch? Where is Uganda police traffic? So, I mean, who is to blame?
Imetagamo kanawe.
Come down.
I believe Chami way of the cross. Mano merugo beri tichigu nogite matamaroa. Red Cross.
Do you have evidence?
Yes.
Okay.
They will bring
Kiwaco matafali kiwenye kwa matafali mgero kanisa morning.
Matafali mego me local mote wila.
Okay.
Dana betika jokone. Enter wachi in a public day, in a public spot, kama dana marama beach. Kakawajini a public gathering. Police is informed 100% about a procession. They should be there to protect the people. Kadong ask them bino teme ikim dano kenyono tiendano. You begin asking me how did it happen? Laxity to that level, isn't that negligence of duty? That's why I'm saying probably I'm only being sarcastic.
You mean they went to Tesoko na Tesoba?
Go to Tesoba, Momir Gubina Guacodano. Kadong diri it was a political procession. The police would not be there.
I think we
would
needed
they allow such kind of a thing to happen?
Maybe perhaps we needed to engage again. A call me or Kiwaco, ngoti mere Lira City dano reaching level. Majo nyono TYEN gina migo majo woni Lucy Okello ni ngoti mere abili no tika kwene. Ko Maria ko Red Cross da tika kwene because anangia no ate down kere car chani ka occasions are down manitie no loka gene Uganda Red Cross. Konya dano tutwal.
Awache negligence of duty is one of the problem. It is okay.
So even Red Cross
nothing is
blamed?
okay.
Not so?
Every party people come from home when they are excited. They come home when they are happy to go and serve the Lord. They should not get problems in trying to glorify God. Okay.
Well, of course, La Dieta Gerelino Santos Wanok, Maena Obero Bishop, Mayor Lira Catholic Diocese, Mabere Obero hosting the Way of the Cross pilgrimage, Wajoki, ni religious leaders, Gian Lutela, Mapapat, Megan. Medini papapat gen kitika planning umira ko chat kunen lemego any victim ki dagatal and also they have also initiated a charity collection menena kat welcome you chanta umira ko kere because that they go collecting chente makaro elmia dep to meet the medical expenses of the victim. Unfortunately mono no bero chara kumeno
and is not their responsibility. The traffic highway code is very clear. Mutaka moyoni kiwan mutaka, they take up the abstract of the medical bill to make sure ni not make in the process this is an emergency.
That was an emergency.
If it is an emergency, it is okay. And after now, kadon kiter madon no first aid madon kicha treating. Bill more can maybe car with driver.
But the good thing is that accident no take a serving no bar. So at least she's not going to be so sad. Mono get a bowaji get a get a notica saving no so but atamoni wa don't get a program make wa ki lock by yacht come on lock but still America encouraging in accidents have been by the way before you pick some of the messages kakan and accidents has been occurring down neno chincha down tika cherry masaka kera madano no ke accident dore and the last time I was from Barara I know ni more cherka celebrating the International Women's Day. The highway policeman no here around Masaka Road Kenya and when do ke what is happening and see the accident no might work waikidano about accident festive season now that even workers are coming back today they are reporting in office.
Anero kemio tips it down one through the African Center for Media Excellence. Get any tips for Easter holiday. One, avoid traveling on a high speed, especially if you take a family mamegi. Speed marketing warrior can drive at an appropriate speed, 60 to 80 per kilometer. Kabene no ni low. Make
park
sure you park and rest.
Yeah.
Kai no ni you're traveling in a family van, plan for your locations. I can give you a nod. Ketika Akigulu.
As you wind up, cause you have to pick calls.
Ketika Akigulu, the first family point Meramachung is Kigumba. Come on, gang moane. You be there with your family. Akikune Ramore bin chung migera. You stop there with your family. Akikune bin gig matuga. You stop there with your family. Those 10-20 minutes break is good to refresh. Idore motaka onweje mabe.
All right.
Yatoke onweje lapera. Ono tumo. Mia dek. Lotino weng miro should have seat belts. Latien matiri mao new mirobet ki kompa lotien maberi mutakane, and then above all pay duo mutaka kunetika matoko.
Okay.